Welcome to Seaport Smiles. Mastering your Invisalign treatment comes down to a few precise daily physical steps that we are going to walk through right now. Your daily routine is built around 4 distinct milestones: preparation, removal, cleaning, and advancement. To accomplish these steps, you'll use the personalized kit we provide. It contains everything you need. Before your hands ever touch your aligners or your mouth, you need to wash your hands thoroughly. You must use standard soap and warm water for this step. Do not use alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Step 1 of the mechanical phase is seating your aligners correctly. This requires applying force in a very specific direction. You will always push the tray onto your front teeth first. Once anchored, apply firm pressure along the sides, working your way back to seat the molars. Next, you will use the cylindrical chewy from your kit. Notice the empty pocket at the bottom edge of the tooth. If that air gap remains, the tooth cannot track properly. Biting the chewy pushes the aligner into position, eliminating that space and locking the tray flush against the attachments of your mouth. Hook the tool onto the inside edge of the tray near your back molars and pull downward to release it. Never pull the aligner off from your front teeth. Attempting to rip it off from the front will warp the plastic out of shape and cause unnecessary pain by twisting the tray against your tooth attachments. Mastering this process ensures your trays maintain the exact shape we engineered for you. The third milestone is your daily maintenance. After any meal, you must clean your teeth and aligners before putting them back in. When brushing the trays, use only a soft bristle brush. Hard bristles will create microscopic scratches in the plastic, which trap bacteria and cause odors. For deep sanitation, you will use your ultrasonic cleaning pod and cleaning crystals. Soaking the trays in this pod breaks down hidden plaque buildup that normal brushing misses. Do not ever expose your aligners to hot water. If they're seated in your mouth, you can only consume plain, cool water. Monitoring your biological response, so we know exactly when you are cleared to advance to your next set of trays. Advancing prematurely is dangerous. If you switch to a new tray before your teeth have fully shifted, the new tray won't fit, and you will stall your entire treatment plan. To know you are ready, we use what we call the comfortable sneaker benchmark. In the first few days of a new tray, you will feel pressure and tightness as your teeth respond. Tylenol helps with this, but by the end of the tray's cycle, it should feel completely passive, with zero physical pressure on your teeth. Additionally, when you insert the current tray, it must seat immediately and flawlessly on its own, without requiring the mechanical assistance of a chewy. Reaching this point is a calculated partnership. Our clinical team engineered the exact path for your teeth, but it relies entirely on your daily habits to make it a reality. Treating these mechanical steps as a strict daily routine is exactly how we reach that final perfect outcome. I am so excited for you. This is just the beginning.